dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's Deandra Renee, and today we are here to slay another lace front install, so let's get right into it. I was sent this wig by Karishair company. All of the information will be down below. It did come yellow. It did come with baby hairs. Now this wig also has combs. You get two on the side, one in the front, one in the back, and some drawstrings. Now it does come with lace on the back, lace in the front, so you want to go ahead and cut the lace off in the back because you don't want to have to cut that once you put your wig on. So go ahead and cut that off. Now I did take my wig cap off. I did not keep it on. So I'm just trying my wig on for size, sizing it up, making sure I don't need to cut it anywhere. And so it's looking pretty good. So today I will be using lace glue. I'm using the Ghost Bond lace glue, and I'm just making sure I know exactly where I want my wig. Now all I have to do is flip that wig up and then apply that glue right where I want that hairline. So I'm going to apply my first layer. Now girl, yes, that is a butter knife, a plastic butter knife. Some people use popsicle sticks. I use what I have. So you just want to smooth that out and then take your blow dryer and make sure that your glue is clear. And then I am going to add another layer. You can add as many layers as you want, but I'm just doing two because I don't plan on keeping this long. So you literally are repeating the same process. I like to apply my wig in sections. I don't apply the whole wig anymore. I used to do that, but this method is so much easier. So you want to start out with applying the middle section first. And you want to grab your rat tail comb and just brush your hair back. Press that lace wig into that glue. I would not advise dragging the comb across the lace. You just kind of press it into it and comb those hairs out of the way to make sure the hairs don't get stuck in the glue. But yes, you will need a rat tail comb. It is just the perfect tool to assist making sure that your lace is sticking to your head. And I do grab my blow dryer and just make sure that that wig is secured in that glue as I go. So this is literally just repeating the process. So I'm gonna speed this up for you guys, but I'm just doing the exact same thing just on the side now. So I have applied pretty much all my wig except the flaps by the ears. So now I need to cut the lace around the earlobe. So I'm just going to pin my hair up and cut that off before I secure that down. It's just so much easier if you do it this way. So I'm cutting that lace and then I'm going to glue that down. And I just did the exact same thing for this side. Now I am going to pin my hair up so I can cut the lace off. Now I have seen people cut these with razor combs. They use all different type of tools, but for me, I like the scissors. Now I recommend trying both methods because you know you never know which one you're gonna like, but I like the scissors. So after cutting the lace off, I like to tie my lace down. Now I do plan on doing bangs, so I don't have to do baby hairs or anything like that. So to clean up the excess glue, I will be using my alcohol, and I like to cover my lace with my finger just to kind of use that as a guide. And then I go back and camouflage my lace with my foundation. And then I am tying down my lace again. I leave it tied down for about 20 minutes each time. And now it is time to style my wig. So I have decided I want some bangs, and I want them to fall right above my eyes. So I'm going to pin the rest of my hair back and flat iron my bangs so I can get a true judgment of where they would fall where I cut them. So you want to straighten those out and then go ahead and cut them. So I want them right above my eyes, but I ended up cutting them too long, so I did have to go back and cut them shorter and shorter and shorter. So I went ahead and curled them so I could see exactly where they're gonna fall and how much more I needed to cut. You right for me, boy, you know that I got you. Love of my life, boy, I finally found you. This length is good, so now I'm just chopping away the uneven hairs. I don't want that straight across look, so I'm just kind of chopping them, making them even. And I have decided to put my hair in a ponytail, and I'm going to camouflage the ponytail holder with some hair from that ponytail. And here is my finished look. They just want my spot, but ain't gon' treat you right. It ain't no secret, baby. Everybody knew. Like Bonnie and Clyde, I'm here by your side. Should I reload it? I'm here for the ride. Bitches be capping, they don't give a fuck. I really like how it turned out, you guys. I did create a few side baby hairs just to kind of add a little bit of oomph to the look. I'm so excited at how it turned out. I did thin out my bangs a little bit, so I just parted a little less hair, and it just worked way better than the really thick bangs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in this hair, I will leave all of the information down below, the links to the company, the links to the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you are tuned in. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Comment down below, and I will see you in my next one.